Login device as admin. Go to stacker, unlock stacker door, pull stacker door. After that, click on back. Go to depositing test. Click on clean wheel path. Reset fault state. Slide down. Click on reject vision test. Now put your finger on upper sensor. Now movement will be seen on device. During that time we'll have to check the stacker, impeller motor. The movement should be same as shown in the video. After that we can go back, click on stacker. Now close the stacker door and click on lock stacker door. Now click on back. Again we will go to depositing testing and sensor data. We will check sensor data. If everything is okay, we can go click on back and again click on back to exit.